their speed, strength, and agility. And for centuries, Mongolian falconers, they will ride on horsebacks to go hunting in search for prey. And this very unique form of falconry is still being practiced right till this very day. Ladies and gentlemen, our Mongolian falconer, and let's all give them another big hand as they ride off for the hunt.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you very much. During the medieval times, kings and noblemen were engaged in falconry, but not only is this done by the men, it is also practiced by the women as well. You see, ladies of higher status, they will go hunting with their very own hawk. And we shall now be joined by our medieval lady now. Take a look right there. Here she comes, everybody. The lady is a very fine looking hawk, I must say. It's lovely. And when she goes hunting, she will not be alone. She will be assisted by a falconer with a hunting dog. And take a look right behind there. Here they come now, the falconer and the dog. And you may be asking, how is the dog is involved in the whole process of the hunt? You see, the dog's job is to sniff around for any possible prey that could be hiding somewhere in the bushes, okay? They will go for prey like pigeons, pheasants, and sometimes even rabbits. Yeah, that's right, rabbits. Am I good, man? Everything alright? Alright. Now everyone, take a look at the bird on the lady's head. Yeah, this beautiful bird. Yeah, this is a Harris hawk. And Harris hawks are the favorite birds among falconers because they are known to maneuver very well when they are going after a prey. Very good at doing that, yeah? And they are highly intelligent birds. You see, training these birds is very easy. It takes about a month or so. Very smart birds, yeah? And the hawks, they are also very sociable. So the falconer and the bird, they share a very strong bond. And that means that the hawks, they make very good hunting partners. And talking about hunting, would you like to see some hunting today? Yeah? Okay. What happens during a hunt is, as soon as the dog picks up a scent of a prey, it will lead the falconer towards the direction of where the prey is. And as you can see, the dog is getting really excited. I think it has picked up a scent there. And off they go, following the scent trail, leading the falconer all the way back towards the bushes there. It's bucking away there. I'm sure there's something hiding right inside. It's getting really excited, as you can see there. Alright, there's the confirmation by the falconer, and that would mean that the hawk is now ready for the hunt. And that was something right away. Off goes the hawk, and wow, let's give the hawk a big hand, everybody. And that's how it's being done. Yeah? The hawk and the dog hunting together during the medieval time.